Hello friends, today let us discuss about the conditional operators. The conditional operators question mark and colon are sometimes called ternary operators since they take three arguments. In fact, they form a kind of foreshortened if then else. The general form is expression 1 question mark, expression 2 colon, expression 3. What this expression says is if expression 1 is true, that is, if its value is non-zero, then the value returned will be expression 2. Otherwise, the value returned will be expression 3. Let us understand this with the help of a program. Let us write a C program using the conditional operator. First, I am including the standard input-output library function using the #include directory. .h. Then we are going to write the main function. After that, opening and closing the curly braces. First, we are going to write a C program to find the greatest of three numbers using the conditional operators. In the comment, I am writing greatest of three numbers using conditional operators. We are going to declare the variables, integer variables int a, b, c, k, then semicolon. Now in the printf function, I am going to write /n for printing it in the new line. Enter the three numbers. In the scanf function, in order to read the integers entered by the user and store it in the corresponding variables, I am including %d space %d comma ampersand a, so that first number will be stored in the memory location of a, ampersand b, so that second number will be stored in the memory location of b, and ampersand c, so that third number will be stored in the memory location of c. Now the user has entered the three numbers in the program. Now we are going to check greatest of three numbers, and we are going to store the greatest of three numbers in another integer variable k equal to. Now we are going to check the conditions using the conditional operator. First, we are going to check whether a is greater than b or not. If this condition, that is, if this statement is true, then it will jump to the second statement, a is greater than c. Or else, if a is less than b, it will jump to b greater than c. Now, in the second statement, we are going to check if a is greater than c. If a is greater than c, then k value will be assigned a variable, If A is less than C, if C is greater than A, then K variable will hold C value. If A is less than B, it will jump to the third statement, B is greater than C. Now, it will check if B is greater than C or not. If B is greater than C, then K value will hold B value, or else if C is greater than B, K value will hold C value. So now in the printf function, we are going to print percentage D is greatest comma K value, or else instead of using the K variable, we can directly print the greatest number in the printf function itself. For showing you, I am going to write printf percentage D, that is first I am including the slash n so that it will be printed in the new line. Percentage D is greatest comma. Now I am going to directly include the conditional operator statements here. Now here itself I am going to check if A is greater than B. If the first statement is true, then it will jump to the second statement, that is A greater than C. If A is greater than C, then it will print A value, or else it will print C value. This statement is over. If A is less than B, it will jump to the third statement, B is greater than C. Here, if B is greater than C means it will print B value, or else it will print C value. Return 0, close curly braces. Now I am going to run this program. Enter the three numbers 12, 5, 67. It is showing 67 is greatest. It is printing 267 is greatest because first we have assigned the K variable value to the greatest number, and then we have printed the printf statement, and next we have directly checked the greatest of three numbers in the printf function itself. Hence it is showing 267 is greatest. Now let us summarize what we have learned. There are three ways for taking decisions in a program. First way is to use the if-else statement, second way is to use the conditional operators, and third way is to use the switch statement. The default scope of the if statement is only the next statement, so to execute more than one statement, they must be written in a pair of braces. An if block need not always be associated with an else block. However, an else block is always associated with an if statement. If the outcome of an if-else ladder is only one of two answers, then the ladder should be replaced either with an else-if clause or by logical operators. 2 ampersand and 2 or are binary operators, whereas not is a unary operator. In C, every text expression is evaluated in terms of 0 and non-zero values. A 0 value is considered to be false and a non-zero value is considered to be true. Assignment statements used with conditional operators must be enclosed within a pair of parentheses.
If you like this video, please like, share and comment about this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel Good Life. Thank you for watching and happy learning. I will see you in the next video.